Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Roofstock to perform 5-step due diligence, complete guide step by step clearly. Locate the sign up or get started button on the homepage. Click the button to access the registration form. Fill in the required fields, including your name, email address, and a secure password. Review and agree to Roofstock's terms of service and privacy policy. Submit the registration form to create your account. Check your email for a confirmation message from Roofstock. Click the confirmation link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your Roofstock account. Navigate to the dashboard and explore the investment options available. Select a property that interests you and click on it for details. Begin your 5-step due diligence process to ensure a thorough evaluation. First, review the property's financials, including cash flow, expenses, and potential returns. Next, examine the property inspection report for any maintenance issues or repairs needed. Then, analyze the neighborhood data, such as crime rates, schools, and amenities. Afterward, conduct a market analysis to understand the local real estate trends. Finally, review the lease agreement, tenant history, and property management details. Once you complete these steps, you will be well prepared to make informed investment decisions with Roofstock. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.